Welcome back to more Bonelab modding tips. Today we're going to be doing fire switch between automatic and semi, or semi and automatic. Easy. Create a blank game object and call it rest. Drag everything under that parent. And leave some exceptions, like the weapon data. Come on, man. Get out of there. Yep. And the chunk tracker. Once we have that out, we can add animator on here. And put your gun's main animator on there. You can get rid of this animator here and add component, do animation. Now go back to your gun script. Make sure your animator is plugged in. Ignore these. This is an old file. On here, tick off play automatically and create new animation clips right here through the animation tab. Call this semi. Create a new clip, call this auto. See, we have them here now. And with animation, we can actually modify our gun script here. So, go to 1 here. So, go to semi. Since the gun's already automatic, use that too. Semi-automatic. See how that works? And then we can just copy this, Control C. Go back to auto, paste it. Switch out the values. Then, boom, you're done the animation part. Let's create a grip so that way you can switch between those two. Go to here, create an empty object called fire switch grip. And make sure this looks fine. Make the layer interactable. Add component, sphere collider. I'd say do 0.01. Make it says trigger. Bring it out here. Make sure it lines up just fine. You can have this separated or not. If it's separated and you want it to move, you would drag it outside of the rest and animate it. So now we'll add component, do target grip, and then just copy my steps. Once we have that done, go to here, create an empty, call it target, and change the layer back to default here. Drag target into target transform. I'd say do rotation limit 65 and do this 25. Alright, now we can do flip on primary axis, and then we can turn it this way, turn it this way, depending on however you want the rotation. We'll look back in the scene if you're in prefab editor to see how the hand pose is. If you have hand pose gizmo, I recommend getting that. And then we'll go to here, alt event holder, and then simple grip events. Duplicate this grip, turn the dupe one off. Go back to alt event holder, add 2 events, drag and drop one in, game object, void set active, toggle that. This is activating this grip and deactivating this one. So you're going between different grips here. Add one more. Go to Kilo 141 or whatever your gun is. Go to animation, play, bring animation, and do semi or auto depending on what firing mode your gun is on. Go to menu, tap down in grips, throw this into grips. Then on your menu, tap down, invoke your ult event. We'll do the same process for the other grip. And we'll change these so that way it's activating this grip and deactivating this one. And we'll change this to auto. Do the same thing, put in your reference grip, and invoke your ult event on the game object. Now that's done. So your gun has fire switch, and that's it. We'll check back in the prefab editor. I kind of fucked up a little bit. It looks a little weird, but we're really calm. We're really calm. And seems I already tried doing that. Whoops. And we'll go to fire switch grip. We can see that the grip is a little weird. As long as this is not unpacked, we can modify it. So we'll just change this here and rotate it to how we want it. See, like that. We could just copy the world position and paste it on here. Now we're done. Make sure you apply all your overrides. Now, so when you grab this and press menu button, it switches different firing modes. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you next time.